welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be me talking about these beautiful locks that I have in my head. So if you want to know how I achieve this look, stay tuned. Okay, so these are freshly done locks. I just did them last night. So we're gonna get straight into the details of these and the length, because these are 36 inches, and no, I did not sit here and do all of this. If you think I did, you crazy. So I have a trip coming up and I wanted to do a protective style, so I'm like, okay, I'm gonna do some locks because I just feel like they look better than braids in my opinion. So I'm like, I'm gonna do me some locks, but I wanted them to be super long because I'm gonna be on the beach and I'm like, I need long hair, like long hair. So these are 36 inches. I did not do these on my own. These are pre-twisted, but yeah, these are the 36-inch pre-twisted locks. They're really long. I'm 5'2", and I'm going to show you how long they are on me. I'm just going to get up. So this is how long they are on me. They go past my butt. I want to say to like my mid-thigh area. That's what it looks like it goes to on me. So yeah, they're pretty long, but that's how I wanted them. I wanted them to be long, so I can't complain. But yeah, so these are the locks. I got them from Amazon. On the description it said that these are the new locks, so I'm not sure if they're actual the actual Bobbi Boss new locks that people use in their hair. But I will leave a direct link in the description box so you guys can go check these out and purchase them if you choose to do so. I bought them in a pack of 4, so it came 4 packs of these, and it's 21 in each pack. So I bought 4 of these. It was a bundle, and I believe with like shipping and all of it, it was like $57 or $58. So they weren't expensive at all. So these are how the locks look straight out the pack. These are the ends of the locks. So this is the top where you crochet the lock in. If I didn't mention that before, I probably didn't. You can't crochet these in because they have this loop at the top. And then this is the other end. I would say these feel very secure. I don't think that they will unravel. If they do, I'll honestly be surprised because they just feel very secure. So I do definitely recommend these to you guys because they do feel secure and they're crochetable. You can crochet them in. That's like the easiest way to do it. So yeah, and like I said, these are 36 inches, so pretty freaking long. So the overall process probably took me around 5 to 6 hours. What I had to do was actually braid my hair into single braids all over my head, and then once I did that, I just immediately started crocheting these in and taking some different hair. You can use any type of curly hair like passion twist hair or deep wave hair, any type of synthetic hair that'll blend with this type of hair, like the lock hair, and you would just wrap that around the lock and your actual hair to mask your hair, and then that's all you do. So after you do that, you're good. I threw a couple of these little clips in here. So one right here, I threw them in there just for a little bit of flavor. But yeah, y'all, I really like these. They're really cute. I hope they last. They seem like they'll last. Even if they don't, like if your roots start to get a little nappy, you can easily just take some of the hair that you wrapped around the lock and tighten your roots up just so they're not you know, dingy or whatever. So yeah, I really like these. They're really cute. I was really scared to do them because I thought they were gonna be ugly, but it's like once you get dressed and stuff, you feel better about the hairstyle. So once I got dressed, I felt better about this hairstyle because I was scared. I'm like, these might be ugly on me, but they're really cute. So yeah. So like I said, I will leave the link to the locks in the description box so you guys can check those out if you do decide to purchase them. I'll also leave below all the supplies I use to achieve this look in the description box so you know exactly what you need. And yeah, if you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down below or DM me on my social media. I will respond. Just let me know like you're from YouTube, because I won't open it if it's just like somebody just trying to talk to me. But if you like saying you like from YouTube, like I'm cool. I'll open it. I'll respond, all of that. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to follow me on all my social medias. Those will be linked down below. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.